Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these pillow covers. Maybe in the summer you want to change up like your pillows, but you don't want to get new pillows. You can just get new pillow covers and then make them seasonal, right? So here are some summer pillow coverings. For example, I love summer, yes. It's summertime. This super cute watermelon and pineapple. Hello summer, as well as enjoy summer. This actually might be good for an outdoor. But I'm assuming it's for indoor. So basically you will just find a pillow that you normally use and then just put this cover on. And all you would do is unzip, insert, and then close it up again. And there you have your summer pillow. Also get like actual pillows, for this particular cover so that you don't have to use your pillows and change the cover up. I mean, it's completely up to you how you like to design your house. But for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment. If you'd like to purchase these pillow covers, and they have all sorts of different designs, go ahead and check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.